I tell you what, $19 from Kmart. These they're more of a sandwich press sort of thing than a Jaffle Iron. They're no good for stuff that liquidy stuff, your tin mucks, your bacon and eggs, even melted cheese for the most part, but just to do your normal toasted sandwiches, a bit of cheese and bacon or cheese and ham and tomato, absolutely fantastic. Half the weight of a Jaffle Iron, designed to go on a stove, electric stove, whatever else. I've never tried on the stove, but just having low heat on the gas here is fantastic. We'll just give this a quick look. A bit more on that side. You just got to keep an eye on it. It's not something you can leave. Same for Jaffle Iron. Just get it on there, give it a minute or two. If you see smoke, you've probably left it too late. But we got some toasted cheese sandwiches for brekkie this morning. And what way was it? That one could have a little bit more. Perfect. They're a non-stick surface, so yes, I'm putting a knife in a non-stick surface, but shoo me. Oh, look at that. Non-stick, so you can still put a little bit of butter on them. I normally give the inside a spray of some olive oil, a bit of bacon. Yum yum. That is going to be excellent. Again, $19 from Kmart. I've got two of them. I've got one in the van, I've got one that lives in the car full time. Just, that was about 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to make them. Love it.